just gonna be taping the monkey to a brick and dropping it from that toy house. Just for fun. Here we go. Look at that thing. He's sitting there dying. Alright. Ready? Yeah, no, I'm just gonna throw it right there. Alright, here we go. Philip got it back. He's going up, he's going up, he's going up. Ready? And drop it now. Wow. Alright, just for fun.